How to scan QR code with Google Lens. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can scan QR code using Google Lens. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So for that, all you have to do is open up Google in your device. So if you navigate at the search bar, there is a small lens icon or there is a small camera icon. That is basically the Google Lens. Tap on it. Now tap on search with camera at the top. Now using this Google Lens, you can point your camera's phone at the top of the QR code that you want to scan. Google Lens will automatically recognize the QR code and provide options for you to open the link, save it, or take other actions depending upon the type of content the QR contains. So, with the help of this lens, you can simply scan any QR code. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.